Coffee with the Mighty Miracle Man time. Today, I wanted to discuss a really exciting topic, the upcoming AI revolution. The company that's leading the way, in my opinion, is Onpassive. We'll dive into what all the Onpassive ecosystem does. For those of you who are not familiar with the Onpassive company, well, Onpassive is an AI-driven technology platform that aims to transform the way businesses operate online in the interwebs. And that's so cool. It leverages the power of artificial intelligence and machine learning and automation to provide end-to-end solutions for business owners, marketers, and entrepreneurs. Onpassive offers a comprehensive suite of aspects that cover various things in digital marketing, customer acquisition, and business management. Some of the standout features include AI-driven lead generation, automated marketing campaigns, advanced analytics, website and funnel builders, customer relationship management, also known as CRMs, and much more. They're always adding new stuff, so if you are interested, there's a link below. You should check it out, and they're always adding new things. Well, the first thing that sets it apart is it operates in its own unique ecosystem. It's not just a collection of individual tools, but instead it's a unified platform where all the components work together seamlessly. With the AI optimization of each tool's performance, and that allows for data-driven decision making, ultimately maximizing results and reducing manual effort. I need more coffee. I'm sure you're wondering what the benefits of this amazing platform are and how you can get involved. Well, there's a link down in the description, like I said, and by doing that, clicking on it and joining the Onpassive ecosystem, users gain access to an all-in-one platform that empowers them to streamline business operations and scale your business effectively. Automation and AI-driven features eliminate the guesswork, save you time, and enhance productivity. Also, Onpassive's community is incredibly supportive. I mean, I met with some of the founders and they were so welcoming and they wanted to help me with my business, even though I may speak slowly. I sure don't think slowly, and they understood that I understood. This community fosters collaboration and provides valuable resources for business owners to grow. It's a game changer for businesses. Like if you're a starting out entrepreneur like myself who wants to establish an online presence and generate leads with Onpassive, you're able to leverage that AI-powered leads generation tool and create captive marketing campaigns. Also, you can track the progress with advanced analytics. And I speak from personal experience that not only saved me countless numbers of hours, but also resulted in a significant increase in customer that knew me and my revenue. To get started with Onpassive, if you're not interested, just click the link below labeled Onpassive Ecosystem and you can be a founding member of the AI revolution ecosystem. It allows you to be an early adopter and enjoy exclusive benefits. Onpassive provides comprehensive onboarding and training to ensure users make the most of the platform right from the beginning. I've experienced this help personally. It's wonderful. If you would do me the favor of commenting down below, especially if my constant eye gazing off the screen annoyed you too. Let me know. I'll try and do better next time. Love you guys.